Radiation is the third and final method of heat transfer in thermodynamics. Unlike conduction and convection, radiation is unique because it can transfer heat through electromagnetic waves, even across empty space. Radiation is the transfer of heat energy through electromagnetic waves. The most important characteristic of radiation is that it does not require any material medium to travel. This means heat can be transferred through a complete vacuum where no particles exist at all. Here's what makes radiation fundamentally different from the other heat transfer methods. Conduction and convection both need a material medium, whether solid, liquid, or gas. But radiation works perfectly through vacuum and empty space, which is why heat from the sun can reach Earth. Let's look at some everyday examples of radiation. First, sunlight reaching Earth travels through the vacuum of space for 93 million miles. Second, when you feel warmth from a campfire without touching it, that's radiant heat traveling through the air. Third, Earth radiates heat back into space at night, which is why temperatures drop after sunset. The power radiated by an object is governed by the Stefan-Boltzmann Law. The formula is P equals sigma a T to the fourth power. This law tells us that the power radiated depends on the surface area and the fourth power of the absolute temperature in Kelvin. Let's break down each variable in the formula. P is the power radiated, measured in watts. Sigma is the Stefan-Boltzmann constant, which equals 5.67 times 10 to the negative 8th watts per square meter Kelvin to the fourth. A is the surface area in square meters, and T is the absolute temperature measured in Kelvin. There are three key properties to understand about radiation. First, all objects above absolute zero emit thermal radiation continuously. Second, hotter objects radiate exponentially more energy because of the T to the fourth power relationship. Third, when radiation strikes an object, it can be absorbed, reflected, or transmitted depending on the material properties. To summarize, radiation is heat transfer through electromagnetic waves that works through vacuum without any medium. It's governed by the Stefan-Boltzmann law, P equals sigma a T to the fourth power. Understanding radiation is essential for studying heat transfer in space, astronomy, and many engineering applications where objects are separated by vacuum or large distances.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.